Okay, dear students, in the last class, we have finished all the concepts for derivative. Even we have seen examples also and process of derivative, and we have seen some standards also, C trigonometric and d by dx x power n and all. Okay, now let us go for exercise 13.2. 13.2 complete exercise is on derivatives only. Okay. In this chapter only two exercises are there. Third one is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous will come both limits and derivatives. But this exercise only derivatives will be there. Let us see what is there. Exercise 13.2. First question. Find the derivative of x square minus 2 at x is equal to 10. Okay. You see, this is not a derivative by first principle. Derivative by first principle means at x is equal to x only. That's all. We are don't substitute x. Okay. This is not by first principle. And we have to find derivative and substitute x like. Okay, see, normal procedure, we are not doing this. What we can say, d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Like that, if you do automatically 2x will come. This is 0. Okay, 2x. If x is 10, then 2 into 10, 20 will come. But with a single step, we don't do. We will do that procedure. F dash x is equal to delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Okay, that we will do. Why? Because see, until 4 questions, I think we will do that procedure. Why? Because that procedure also we have to know. In examination, if they ask us to find that procedure, then we will do that procedure. Okay, let us do. Okay, see what I am doing. Let f of x is equal to, let f of x is equal to x square minus 2, okay, comma, f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. This is the formula, and we will substitute in this formula now. Okay, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x means, you see here in x plus delta x you have to write x plus delta x whole square minus 2. This is f of x plus delta x. Okay, minus again f of x you have to write x square minus 2 delta x, that is equal to, you open this, what we can say, not opening, expand x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus 2, or I can write directly now. Why? Because I am opening this bracket. Minus x square plus 2 whole divided by delta x. Okay? Okay. Now you see, shall we do all the process? Why? Because x square plus minus 2 plus 2 are going to get cancelled. Even delta x also going to get cancelled. You see here, one delta x is going to get cancelled. One square is going to get cancelled. Okay? That also we can do, I suppose. What should we increase the process? That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. 2x plus delta x will come. You see here, 2x plus delta x. Why? Because x square gone, 2x, 1 delta x gone, delta x square, 1 delta x gone, minus 2 gone, x square gone. Okay? 2x plus delta x. Okay. See, this is what? This is f dash x, but we want it. Okay. This is f dash x, but we want f dash 10. Okay, write down. F dash 10 is equal to, you substitute 10 in place of x. Same limit delta x tends to 0, 2 into 10 plus delta x. Okay, write down now again. That means f dash 10 is equal to 20 plus delta x. Limit is there. Limit also we have to write. Limit we have not yet applied. Limit delta x tends to 0. 20 plus delta x, that is equal to. See, now I am applying limit. X already applied. First you have to apply x, then finally you have to apply delta x. Delta x I am applying. Delta x, if I apply automatically, what will happen? 20 plus 0, that is equal to 20. Okay? Okay. See, this is the answer. In one step also you can do. But if it is an objective question, then ABCD will be there, then you can put 20 by seeing this. 2x will come. 2x. X cube means 3x square will come. 2x. Okay? X square means 2x will come. 2x means x is 10 means 2 into 10, 20. Okay? Let us go for second question. See the second question. What they have written. Find the derivative of x at x is equal to 1. That you have to see. See, what is the derivative of x normally? 1. Why? Because dx by dx is 1. But after making it as a derivative, 1 is going to come. After making the derivative only, you have to apply the function. Okay? X. But while applying a function, already it has become constant function. Like constant function means there is no change, there is no variable. The same value will come. That means 1 only will come. Even delta x also, if you want to apply, then what we can say, limit of a constant or scalar, like it will become 1 only will come. That means answer is going to come 1, like I want to say. But we will do in proper procedure. You have to know such that. Okay? See how I am writing. Let delta x is equal to, let x is equal, f of x is equal to x. Okay? F dash x is equal to, see, f dash 1 we want, but afterwards we will see it. Let us first find f dash x. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay? This is the process or procedure, whatever it may be. Okay? Now you substitute, that is equal to limit delta x tends to, like that only you write. Okay? See, f of x plus delta x means here you are having only x plus delta x minus x divided by delta x. Okay? See, if you open bracket on x minus x is going to get cancelled, delta x by delta x will come. Write down. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta x by delta x. Why? Because x and x are going to get cancelled. Like. Okay? See, now see limit delta x tends to 0, 1 has become. Delta x by delta x is 1. Okay. See, now what happened? Derivative part over. Derivative part over. Of course, delta x tends to 0, you have to submit. But before delta x, you have to apply x. But for applying x, is there any x? Not there. Now you think like this. You see here. F of x is equal to 5x. F of 1 is equal to 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. Okay? This is one case. If f of x is equal to 5, f of 1 is equal to 5 only. Even f of 2 also 5 only. Why? Because see, it has become constant function. There is no change in function. But function cannot become 0. Derivative of a constant function may become 0. Okay? This is the normal function. Derivative of 5x is equal to 5. Derivative of only 5 is equal to 0. But the process is here, derivative of x is 1. Not derivative of 1. See, one time we have done derivative of x as 1. Then afterwards it has become function, constant function. Constant function is not going to be changed. Constant function will be like this only. That means answer will come 1. But how to write one? You see, another step is, this is f dash x. You write like this: f dash x is equal to 1, comma, f dash 1 is also 1. Okay, like this. This is first step. Second step. Okay, let me write. Limit we have forgotten. Na? Limit also we have to write. Let me write. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 1, comma, f dash 1 is also limit delta x tends to 0, 1. Same. Now finally again you apply the limit. F dash 1 is equal to 1. Why? Because you applied limit like that. For applying limit, nothing is there. Limit of a scalar or constant function is that function. That value. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now the answer is 1. Okay. Let us go for third question. Okay. See the third question. Find the derivative of 99x at x is equal to 100. Okay. Here f of x is 99x. But normally what is the derivative? 99. After coming 99 derivative, can you substitute x value? No, nothing is there. Then final value is going to come 99 only. Okay. But how to write in proper way? Proper way we will write this. Okay, see how I am writing. Let f of x is equal to 99x, comma, f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Okay. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. 99x is function here. You see how I am writing. 99x plus delta x. This is f of x plus delta x minus 99x. F of x. Okay, 99x divided by delta x. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. See, 99x plus 99 delta x. 99x, 99x going to get cancelled. I need not write again that. 99 delta x will be there. You see here. 99 delta x divided by delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0, 99 will come. Okay. See, now again it has become like constant function. Why? Because see, derivative is over. Now x, if you want to substitute, it is going to become like constant function. Okay, write down. F dash 100 is equal to, same thing you have to write. Delta x tends to 0, 99. Okay, and now you apply limit. Again f dash 100 is equal to 99. Why? Because you applied limit. Applied limit means like limit of a constant or scalar function, the scalar value 99. Okay, the answer is 99. By seeing itself we can say 99. Okay, let us go for fourth question. Okay, see, fourth question, 4 parts are there. First part we are taking, find the derivatives from first principle. Okay, first principle means we know. For first principle, there is no x value substitution. Like in last 2 questions, we have substituted x value. But even though that was not possible, at x is equal to 1 or at x is equal to 100, if like that comes, means that is not going to be called as first principle. First principle means derivative at x, we can say. Okay, not derivative at x is equal to 100 or x is equal to 1. Derivative at x, that's all. That is called the first principle. Let us do this also by first principle. Okay, before doing, what you have to do, let f of x is equal, like that you take this. F of x is equal to x cube minus 27. Here cube is there. X plus delta x cube you have to do. Okay. Okay. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay, this you have to write first. Then you substitute this f of x. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Substitute is x plus delta x whole cube minus 27. Okay, see, this is f of x plus delta x, like minus f of x. F of x again x cube minus 27. But you put in under bracket. Because if you open automatically x cube plus 27, it is going to become divided by delta x. Okay, this is standard notation, like. Okay, now you expand x plus delta x whole cube. You have to expand. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube delta x cube. Delta x cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus 27. Okay, directly I am writing this minus x cube plus 27 whole divided by delta x. That also I have to write. Okay, you see, first x cube minus 27 are going to get cancelled. Plus 27 minus 27. Okay, and you see here 1 delta x, 1 square, and here cube will become square. Okay, that also you can do at one go. Okay, now write down limit delta x tends to 0, 3x square plus 3x delta x. Why? Because 1 delta x is there. Delta x square is there. But denominator is nothing is there. Okay. Okay. Now you see, first principle means here x is something you should not submit. Okay. That is not there. That is why this is going to become first principle, like. Okay. Now you can apply limit. Okay. Apply limit, that is equal to, that means limit delta x tends to 0 will not be there. Why? Because we are applying limit 3x square plus, if you apply limit, this is going to become 0. 3x into 0 plus 0 square. Okay, that is equal to, these both are going to become 0. 3x square is the answer. Understand? 0, 0 plus 3x square. By seeing itself, we can tell 3x square. Why? Because this constant derivative is 0. Okay, function may not be 0, but derivative is 0. While doing derivation, 3x square will come. 3x square has come. Okay, this is my first principle. Note down this. We will go for second part of this question. Okay, the second part of the fourth question. Find the derivatives from the first principle. Let f of x, like, you have to take this one. Okay, let us take, you see what I am writing. Let f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2. But I will multiply and I will make it 1. Why? Because multiplication is there. Addition, like, I will make x square minus 2x minus x. Minus 3x shall I write directly? Minus 2x minus x. Okay, plus 2. Okay, now f of x is x square minus 3x plus 2, like you have to take. Okay, now first to write the formula, f dash x formula, then we will substitute. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay. In this you have to substitute this formula. You see x plus delta x square minus 3 into x plus delta x plus 2 minus again this one you have to write. Like that you have to do. Okay. Write down limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x means x plus delta x whole square minus 3 x plus delta x plus 2. Okay. This is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Same again you repeat x square minus 3x plus 2 but put under one bracket divided by delta x. Okay. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, now you see a plus b whole square like a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3x minus 3 delta x plus 2 minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, all divided by delta x. We do one thing, delta x will cancel next time, but remaining all we will cancel. X square, these three are going to get cancelled. You see, minus x square plus 3x minus 3x minus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now delta x we will cancel in the second step, next step. Okay. Write down. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 2x delta x plus delta x square, delta x into delta x I will write. Okay. Minus 3 delta x, that's all, minus 3 delta x divided by delta x. You see, this delta x is going to get cancelled, one delta x is going to get cancelled, this delta x is going to get cancelled. Okay. Now you write what will happen. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Here only 2x will be there. Here delta x is there, 1 delta x plus delta x minus 3 will be there. Okay. Sorry. Now you apply limit. If you apply limit, automatically what will become? 2x plus 0 minus 3. That is equal to 2x minus 3 will be your final answer. Okay. See, not here, by seeing here you can tell 2x minus 3 will come. 2 is going to become 0. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 only has come. Okay. This is the second part of your fourth question. Let us go for third part. Okay, see this. Third part of fourth question, 1 by x square derivative you have to find by first principle. Okay. Okay. See, carefully you have to do here. In denominator area, square is there. Okay. First you take this as f of x is equal to 1 by x square, comma, f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay. Now you substitute. You see what I am doing? Limit delta x tends to 0, 1 by x plus delta x whole square minus 1 by x square divided by delta x. Is it okay? Like this you have to write. Okay. Like this you have to write. And yes, we can write here, which we will what we can say, extend this limit delta x tends to 0. You see, first you have to expand this 1 by. See, 1 by, first time expand after, okay, even then I can write like this. Okay, 1 by, you see, a square
plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is here minus 1 by x square divided by delta x. This delta x we can think as the denominator delta x divided by 1. A by b by c by d like. Okay, afterwards we will make it a by b by into d by c. Okay. Okay. Now cross multiply. Cross multiplication you have to do. That is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. X square. See here cross multiplication I am doing. X square, all these are going to become minus negative. Minus x square minus 2x delta x minus delta x square divided by, you see x square is going to multiply this, x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube delta x. Why? Because x square into x cube plus x square delta x square. Okay, cross multiplication we have done. See, now divided by delta x by 1 is there, like you think, into 1 by delta x you can write now. Okay, now this delta x has become 1 by delta x. Here you think like divided by delta y by 1. A by b by c by d, a by b into d by c. Okay, now you see here x square only going to get cancelled, that's all. Okay, now see in the next step we will take common of delta x and we will cancel with this. Why? Because this is in multiplication. Okay, that thing you have to do. Okay, let us do here. You see what I am doing. Limit delta x tends to 0. You see, if I take delta x outside, delta x I have taken outside, minus 2x minus delta x. Is it okay? Delta x common I have taken. Why? Because I want to cancel. Divided by x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube delta x plus x square delta x square into 1 by delta x. Delta x I have cancelled. Okay, that is equal to, only delta x gone, but remaining all will be there. Again you write delta x tends to 0. Limit minus 2x minus delta x x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube delta x plus x square delta x square. Okay, see now nothing has to be done. You have to apply the limit, that's all. Apply limit. If you apply limit, then this limit delta x tends to 0 will not be there. Directly you write. You see what I am writing. Minus 2x minus 0 x to the power of 4 plus 0 plus 0. Why I am writing plus 0 plus 0? Why? Because see 2x cube into 0. I am applying limit. This is going to become 0. This is going to become 0. Okay. Now what will come? Minus 2x by x to the power of 4. You see x again you can cut. Minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube is your final answer. Okay. Okay. See, this is by this first principle or derivative process. Directly if you do x power n process, what will come? F of x is equal to 1 by x square. F dash x is equal to, this you can take as x power minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 x power minus 3. N into x power n minus 1. Okay, that is equal to minus 2 by x cube. With one step you can get it. But this process we will do of fifth question onwards. Okay, 4 questions we will do with this process only. Okay, let us go for fourth part of the fourth question. See, x plus 1 by x minus 1. Fourth part. Derivative we have to find from first principle. First principle means at x value only, not at x is equal to some value. Okay. Okay. As usual, first we write the formula. F dash x is equal to. Okay. See, I am writing. So here you cannot what we can say simplify this. You have to take like this only. F dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Okay, that you keep in our mind. Okay, accordingly you change. Now how I am changing, you see, f dash x is equal to, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 x plus delta x. All you change this, you see, x plus delta x plus 1 divided by x plus delta x minus 1. Okay, this is x plus delta x, like, minus, again same function will come, x plus 1 by x minus 1 divided by delta x. Understand now? If you are not able to write this, then you are not going to get the answer. Okay, see, you take entire this thing as f of x, but here f of x plus delta x has to come. This x plus delta x has to come here. Okay, wherever x is there only delta x will come. Wherever constants are there, nothing will come. Together delta x divided by. Okay. Okay. Now you see what will happen. Limit delta x tends to 0. Now you cross multiply x minus 1 into, like, I think here we will have to do. We don't have space there. Okay, see what I am doing now. Limit delta x tends to 0, x minus 1 into x plus delta x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x plus delta x minus 1. X minus 1, this is over, divided by this one. Okay, you see, x minus 1 into x plus delta x minus 1. Okay, cross multiplication we have done, but divided by delta x is there. Shall I take this as delta x by 1? Then 1 into 1 by delta x. Shall I write like this? Definitely I can write this. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to expand this. Inside you have to send it. You don't have any other option. Let us expand this. Okay, see, x square, x plus delta x, x delta x, sorry. X, okay, with x over with minus 1, minus x, minus delta x, minus 1. Okay. This is first term, minus x square, x delta x, minus x with plus 1, plus x plus delta x minus 1. Okay, see, whole divided by delta x is there. Shall I write delta x down? Why? Because anyway in denominator it is there. Okay. Okay, you see, delta x I am writing first into, you see, now you multiply this, x square plus x delta x minus x minus x minus delta x minus minus plus 1. Okay. Now you see what are all going to get cancelled? This x plus 1, x minus 1, entire thing should get cancelled. F of x all should get cancelled. You see, now here it has mixed. Like, first of all, internally also something are going to get cancelled. You see, plus x minus x cancel out. Okay. Here also you see plus x minus x cancel out. Okay. Now see, outside minus is there. That means the same symbol inside is there. Same term we can cancel out. Why? Because that is going to become minus 1. Like, see, x square minus x square cancel out. Okay. See, x delta x minus x delta x cancel out. Minus delta x don't cancel out. I think this you cancel 1. Okay, minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 are going to get cancelled. Okay. You see here only minus delta x minus of minus delta x. Sorry, minus delta x minus delta x. Minus 2 delta x is going to come. Down delta x is there. We will cancel afterwards. Okay. That's all. Down you cannot do anything. Here you can add this 2x minus 2x. Why? Because delta x is different, x delta x is different, x square different, 1 is different. Only these two you have to add. Minus 2x. Okay. Let us write. You see what I am writing. Limit delta x tends to 0 minus 2 delta x divided by delta x square plus x delta x minus 2x minus delta x plus 1. Is it okay? But now you see delta x you cancel. Only minus 2 will be there. Now you apply limiter. Why? Because we don't have space. Directly I am what we can say writing here. Okay, that is equal to, I am applying limit minus 2 by, now delta x is not there, x square plus x into 0. Why 0? This delta x is not there. Delta x we are applying. Minus 2x minus 0 plus 1. Okay, you see carefully. Why? Because here x square will come, minus 2x will come, plus will come. 3 terms are going to come. Okay, let us write. That is equal to minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay. See, this you can write as x minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 1 minus 2x. X square plus 1 minus 2x. Okay. This will be your answer. Okay. Take this. We go for 5th question. Okay. Let us see the 5th question. And this will be the last question for this class. Okay. For the function f of x is equal to x to the power of 100 divided by 100 plus x to the power of 99 divided by 99 plus x to the power of 98 divided by 98, like this up to x to the power of 1 divided by 1. Okay. But here x to the power of 0 is there, but divided by 0 you cannot write. Okay. That is why you write this as 1 only. X to the power of 0 don't write at 1. But this you can write x to the power of 1 by 1. That means totally 100 terms are there here. X to the power of 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 98 by 98, 99 by 99, 100 by 100, like 100 terms are there. 100 plus 1 terms are there. See, 100 plus 1 terms are there, but if you do derivation, differentiation or derivative, constant term is going to become 0. That you keep in your mind. This constant term. See here 100 terms plus 1. 101 terms are there. Sorry. Why? Because from here onwards 100, 101, 101 terms are there. But after doing this derivation, constant term is going to become 0. Then finally 100 terms are going to get. That number is very important. Why I am stressing this? Okay. The number is very important. Why? Because here he is asking f dash 1 is equal to 100, f dash 0 means how to make it 100 0 means unless you know this concept, you cannot do this. Okay. here total 101 terms are there, but in 101 terms, 100 terms are having variables x. One term is only constant, scalar. Scalar derivative is 0. That you keep in mind. If this becomes 0 after derivation, total only 100 terms only are going to become. Like that you keep in your mind. Okay. Let us do now. You see what I am writing? Okay, observe carefully. Okay, see now that n into x power n minus 1 formula directly we can apply. Because this is not first principle or something like. Okay. See what I am doing. Directly I am writing f dash x. Let us find f dash x. Then we will find f dash 0. Then f dash 1. F dash x is equal to. How I am finding n into x power n minus 1 like. Okay. See here what I am writing. One by 100 you take out into 100 into x power 99. Is it okay? 1 by 100 is constant, like you take out n into x power n minus 1. You see, if f of x is equal to 3x square, what we were doing? 3 you are keeping aside, 2x square we are doing a 2x. Okay? That means here 2 minus 1 is going to come like. Finally it is going to become 6x. Like this only, 1 by 100 we are taking out, so like 3. And 100 into x power 100 minus 1. Okay? Like that you have to think. 1 by 99 into x power 98. Sorry, into 100 you have 99 you have to write. Na? 1 by 99 you have taken out. 99 into x power 98 plus. Like this you do here also. 1 by 2 is take it out. 2x plus. D by dx of x is 1 only. But d by df of 1 is 0. That you keep in your mind. Okay? If you understand this, then you can get answer easily. Now you see 0 you forget. Now total 100 terms are there. You see 1, 2, like this 100. Total 100 terms are there. But see logically here what is happening? 100, 100, 99, 99, 2, 2, like this are going to get cancelled. That you keep in your mind. Okay? Then finally what is going to become? F dash x. First of all, f dash x only you write x power 99 plus x power 98 plus x power 97 plus x power 3 plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay? Like this it is going to become. See, 1 and x is there, but 2 is not there. We have not written. The 2, 3 like this. That means x power 1, x power 2, x power 3 like that. It goes on up to 99 plus 1. That you keep in your mind. Why? Because 1 has come from x. Okay? Okay. Now find f of f dash 0. F dash 0. Wherever x is there, zeros have to put. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Why? Because 1 you cannot make 0. Okay? How much it is going to become? 1. Why? Because all zeros plus 1 means 1. Okay? This we have understand. Okay. Now you write f dash 1. 1 power 99, 1 power 98, 1 power 97, 1 power 3, 1 power 2, 1, 1. You see, 1 power 1, 2, 3 up to 99. That means 99 plus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. 99 plus 1 is 100. Now you tell me f dash 1 is equal to 100 times f dash 0. Okay, that's what he is asking. By above, f dash 1 is equal to 100, f dash 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, f dash 1 is equal to 100 times of f dash 0. Okay, like this you write and close this question. Okay, see, even though we have done 5 questions, but in question number 4 another 4 questions were there. Total I think 8 questions we have done. Like this total I have calculated, still 19 questions are there. Parts by parts. 12 questions are there. Actually 12 questions, 5 we have done, 7 questions are there. But in 7 questions, again subparts are there. We will try to solve these questions in the next class. But I don't think all we are going to complete. Let us try to complete 50% of questions. In 2 classes we will try to complete this all the exercise. Again miscellaneous exercise only will be there. I don't need to tell any concepts for that. I hope. Then continuously we will do miscellaneous exercise also. That we will give the number 13.3. Okay. Thank you very much.